Hi Maker, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a giant maple leaf. Look how big this thing is. It can't even fit in the frame. That's how big it is. Oh, there we go. There. I'm going to show you how to make these really fun giant fall maple leaves. You can see I've got them up all behind me. It's actually a very nice complementary decor to my giant sunflower. Yes, I've got that tutorial available too. So you should totally check that one out. But today we are talking fall leaf. For this project, you will need the following. For this project, you will need 4 sheets of 12-inch by 12-inch cardstock, glue gun and glue sticks, Cricut machine, and LightGrip Mat. Or if not using a Cricut machine, a pen to trace the template, boning tool, scissors, and of course, you will need FleeceFun's free files that are available on FleeceFun.com. And in addition, you might want command strips because I find those work for hanging the leaf. All right, now that you have all those items, it's time to get started. But before we do, I just want to let you know, yes, I am using my Maker to cut this out because it's a lot faster and easier, but I do have a PDF pattern available for you so you can trace this onto paper and cut it out yourself and assemble it. So don't be put off if you don't have a Cricut Maker yet. It's okay, you got options. Let's get started. Giant maple leaf template and tutorial. Step 1, cut out the template. If using a Cricut, switch to the fine point blade. Load the free files into Design Space. Each leaf takes 4 sheets of paper. Cut out each piece. Each piece is different, so you will need to cut out one of each. All right, now that you have all those pieces, we need to start folding up the sections to put it together. And you'll notice that on the SVG file, I have it already perforated. That's the word I'm looking for you. Step 2, fold or score the giant maple leaf sections. Lay out the pieces like you see them here. Each section has a dashed line or perforated line. The SVG cuts these out for you. If you're using the PDF, you will need to use a bone tool to make the score on the cardstock where the dashed lines are. These dashes are where we need to fold to make the seams in the leaf. On each maple leaf, fold along the dashed edge, folding them towards the center of each piece. You now have the seams that we'll use to glue the leaf together. All right, looks good. Now let's assemble the maple leaf. Step 3, glue the fall leaf together. Now, one thing I will tell you is keep track of your pieces because it does kind of fit together like a puzzle. So you want to make sure that you keep track of them so when you glue it together, it does fit and it does work. Start with one side and glue the top to the bottom along the folded seam. Pinch along the seam to get a good seal. The seam should be facing up at you. Repeat on the other side. Finally, glue the 2 halves together to complete the giant maple leaf. Repeat with different colors and mix in with other elements for awesome fall decor. And that's it! You have this great maple leaf. You can do all kinds of different things with it. It's great just to fill up mantle space or classroom decor. It's a really fun and festive fall. I can't think of another F word for decoration, but find. There you go. If you like this project, I have a bunch of SVG files and Cricut Maker files and templates and PDFs and all that good stuff for free available on FleeceFun.com. You should check me out there. Also, could you do me a favor? Do me a favor and hit that like button and hit the subscribe and bell icon so you don't miss out on any more fun tutorials and freebies like this one. And let me know in the comments below, are you a fall person? You know what I'm talking about. You're talking about the people who go a little crazy and decorate for fall, in August. Are you a fall person? Let me know.